buy some bread because it might rain again. It's been raining since last night and it's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Get me some bread. Oh, you like the bread?
What is this called?
Thank you.
Mama, what's this called?
That's the hopia. You want the hopia? I got some. Let's go. We got you some marble bread. It's a chilly afternoon. It's been raining overnight. So we got some bread. We're gonna go around for a little bit and then we're gonna head back home. We are at the pier.
This is a
Well, it is windy. It's a windy day. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to sew it again.